11 years ago, Matt Armstrong created his YouTube channel. 9 years back, he uploaded his first YouTube video. And today, this guy is making wave with his incredible supercar restoration videos. Hello, guys. Today, we're going to be looking at his top 11 best car restoration yet. And we're going to be rating them and seeing the best ever yet. Come with me, let's rate it. First car on our list today is the Porsche. Porsche. What Porsche is this? Yeah, you caught me there. This is a Porsche. But then the damages was really bad, and okay, losing the side fender, the hood is bad. Come on, damn. Okay, let's see the outcome of this. Ooh, ooh, this is oh my god. Damn, damn. Perfecto. So I'm gonna give this Porsche like 5 because I think though the damages are bad, but this can be restored. And come on. Okay, our second car for today is the Nissan GTR, and this is not a lot of damage, but let's see, because he do upgrade his cars after restoration. Try to upgrade them after each restoration. So let's see. I think he kept it simple but did a lot of modification, and a new video is out on his on his second channel. So, and he did modification on this particular GTR. Okay, I'll give it a 6. No much talk there. Alright. Then we have this Audi losing his headlights and some frame work, guys. Losing its frame works, and then losing a door, has problem with its bumper, its fenders, its hood. Okay, let's see some more damages. And damn it, the restoration is perfecto. I'm gonna give this also a 5 because okay, like a 6, because I think it's kind of basic, but there we go. Then we have the fourth car on the list, which is the Aventador SVJ. I didn't even know he has this car, guys. I didn't know he restored this car. I was just, for research purposes, that was when I saw he has this particular car. And damn, oh boy, how come this video didn't go viral when he did it? Like, how come we didn't know him for this particular video? And boom, that's insane. Splendid, guys. This is gonna be an 8. Yes, 8. Shout out to Matt. Then we have this BMW. I don't know, sorry guys, I'm a car guy, but a lot of cars I don't know. BMW, I think this is the BMW, and please tell me in the comment section below. Okay, and then the damages were at the back, front, and the transformation. Damn, I'm loving this, guys. I'm loving this. This is insane. This is gonna be like a 6. Yes, 6. Then let's go jump on to the next car. This is also a BMW. and this was rugged. Damn, rugged. But let's look at the come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, Matt. Matt is the main man. Is the main man, and this is seven. Yeah, seven. Then we have this. A lot of these cars I still don't know. I didn't know when he built them because I wasn't into the channel yet. I'm going to tell you when I get into the channel. The picture of that particular car, the particular car that brought me into this channel is yeah. So this is an Aston Martin. I think he still has this. I don't know. And oh boy, the damages were bad. Both interiors, engine, I guess was bad, and boom, he modified it to red. Come on, come on, come on. This is a Maserati, not an Aston Martin. I don't. Then I'm gonna give this an 8. An 8, an 8. Incredible, Matt. Incredible. Then we have this is McLaren P1. Okay, this is his McLaren. Please comment below if I'm wrong. I don't really know because all the McLaren are almost like the same, but I don't know what mode there is this. But let's look at this McLaren. Damn, damn, damn. Whew. Damages at the back was it took a lot of challenge in this was a big challenge. Damn it, guys, and boom, that's respect, man, respect. So I'm giving this a 9, giving this 9 because come on, turning that to this it isn't easy. It isn't easy. The next car on the list is the Marcus Rashford Masuri Rose Race. And come on, this was the car which introduced me into his channel, made me know his channel, and loved it, man. Loved the damn. Look at the damages in this car. A 1 of 1, which is not 2 of 2 because Rashford spec'd another of his car exactly like this. Yeah, another of his Rolls Royce exactly like this. And oops, damn it. He did a little bit of modification, but this Masuri Rolls Royce is top notch, man. Top notch. And I'm gonna give it a 10 over 10. Yes, 10 over 10 is worth it, guys. And the last on our list today is the Lamborghini Urus. This car is the restoration he did to this car. Let's just show it. The restoration he did to this car is insane. This is a difficult one, guys. And a very challenging one, and he did it. And I'm gonna give this also a 10, not a 9. Yes, thank you guys for watching. What do you think about this car? Which is your favorite among each of these cars, guys? For me, it's the Rolls Royce. I would have said the Lamborghini Urus, but I just love the Rolls Royce. I love the story that car tells, and damn, that's insane. Thank you for watching. Please remember to support this channel. I love you guys are supporting me. Please hit the subscribe button. Go like this video now, and go watch the rest of my video. I made a video about the Stradman. If you are a car fan, car enthusiast, you should know the Stradman. Go check his video down below. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.